Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an u Dr. Narong Tongsuk Head Ministry and Partnership Engagement Department ECHO Asia ulapan shai pet ba halor ki kam tre kam jangkaseng ha kalyang karep bapenne ya kamariang bar ka jingya trelang bar ki pet ba nongrem u Dr. Tongsuk ulaong ba ka Eco Asia kala tre kam la kumba khat sansnem ha kiri bapher jangka Asia Barkadon ka demonstration farm ka bakantup ya ka fish pond, seed bank bat ki wegi benta kum karukam ai jing hikai. Ulaban juru ba ka jing hikai ba training ka seng, kadai ka belong da karukam practical, hak pair ling ba ki short term internship program bat ki workshop. Shu ulakran halor ki lai benta trikam ba kongsan jong ka Eco Asia, ka education and training internship workshop bat jingyarap hak pair jong ki nongram. Ka networking and collaboration jingya trailang bat kiwe ki seng ban penlong conference ban pen priang ya ki rukam rap themmai. Innovative options kum ka eco development notes EDN technical response unit bat ka jing penyar ya ki seed bank bat ki duri klau badang duna pendon kam. Ulapan pauru ba ka thong jong ka Eco Asia kalong banyarap ya ki nongrap ha ka jing priang ya ki lat themmai ban penmi jing mentoy bat ban penne ya kamariang da ka badon ka jing ya trailang bat ki riu pat ba ba ki seng ba pher ha kathan.
As I go back to my office, then we will discuss about this, okay? And we have taken some pictures and we take your, organization's name and even your name, your contact. We would like to contact to you, individual organizations, and see how we can work together. And then, as I said earlier, that we have been thinking of how to take, Eco South Asia office away from Chiang Mai to put Eco South Asia in India or in South Asian countries. Okay, so that's our intention, and therefore, what we would like to do next is, to bring our team next year in the month of April, and then I think he would like to be here. I mean, my director would want to be here because he told me this time if if the conference next month was not there, then he would have come along with me. But because of the conference next month, so he had to be there to prepare the conference. Okay, so this is not how can I say? This is not going to be the last meeting for us. Okay, we would like to meet with you again and see how we can work together. Okay, and if anything that you think we can be helpful, please feel free to contact us. Okay, feel free to let us know. Okay, we either contact or respond to you through our social media, or we would like to send our team over here. Okay, this time, as I'm the head of the partnership engagement team, so I have come first. Usually they will send me first to anywhere that they want to open a new field. So I am the forerunner, John the Baptist. So they send me out. They send me out first. Then if I come back healthy, then okay, it's safe for them to come next. So that means yes, we will be back, sir. We will be back. Okay, we will not just come and talk and forget, what we have talked. Okay, we will come back. Thank you very much for that question. In Northeast India, to bring Eco Asia to South Asia. I used to live in Nagaland state as a student. I studied there, I lived there for 6 years, and I got married to a Naga wife. Originally, she came from Manipur, the Menglong district, and then migrated to Nagaland, Dimapur. So my in-law lived in Dimapur. So I have been going back and forth between Nagaland and Thailand a lot. And also I have come to Shillong for this is my third time. And I see that Shillong is a wonderful place. It's, I would say, almost totally different from Dimapur. Different things, However, when we look at each other, if I don't tell you that I'm from Thailand, no one would you know, really know that I'm from Thailand, right? So I lived 6 years in Nagaland. Very few people knew that I came from Thailand because I started picking up their Nagamese, their language. You know, when I went shopping, we use Nagamese language. You know, when I came home to my wife family, I speak their dialect. You know, Rome. And then when I, go to offices, I speak English again. So that's how we spend life in Nagaland. And I see that northeastern part of India, people are very similar to the northern part of Thailand. Even the food and eating habit very similar. Okay, so with that kind of background, my director, Mr. Patrick, asked me, Narong, can you help us bring Eco Asia to South Asia? Can we start something in the northeastern part of India? So I said, why not? I think this is what God has brought me to Echo Asia, even though through, SAID, which is gone now, but I think it's not a mistake. It's not by chance, it's by God's will. So that's why I'm here this morning. Would like to share something about our Echo Asia, mission and vision, and see how we can work together. Okay? So then later on, after I finish my sharing, then you can ask some questions or you can share how we can work together. We really want to work together with people like you. But after hearing about your work, your experiences, I feel so humble. I feel that I have a lot of things